Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom? Today, we're going to explore 7 passive income sources that can help you boost your bank account and live the life you deserve. Okay, let's jump right into our first passive income stream, dividend-paying stocks. Now you might be thinking, stocks, isn't that risky? Listen, I get it. But hear me out. Because when done right, investing in stocks can be one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. See, when you buy a dividend-paying stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of a company. And as a part owner, you're entitled to a share of their profits. These profits are paid out to shareholders in the form of dividends, usually every quarter. Think of it like this. You buy a lemon tree, and every quarter, that lemon tree gives you lemons. You can either enjoy those lemons, or you can sell them for some extra cash. That's dividends in a nutshell. Now, not all companies pay dividends. Some companies reinvest all their profits back into the business to grow even bigger. But many established companies, especially in the US, do pay dividends, and some have been doing it consistently for decades. The beauty of dividend-paying stocks is that you're earning money in 2 ways. First, you get the dividend payments, and second, the value of your stock can potentially increase over time. So, not only are you earning passive income, but your initial investment can grow as well. Of course, like any investment, there's always some risk involved. The stock market can be volatile, and there's no guarantee that a company will continue paying dividends forever. But by diversifying your portfolio, investing in established companies with a solid track record of dividend payments, and doing your research, you can minimize your risk and maximize your potential for long-term gains. Alright, moving on to our next passive income stream, real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. Now, I'm sure you've heard me talk about real estate before. It's a fantastic way to build wealth, but it can also be a lot of work. That's where REITs come in. REITs are like the low-maintenance cousins of traditional real estate investing. They allow you to invest in real estate without actually having to buy, manage, or maintain any properties yourself. Think of it like owning a piece of a shopping mall, office building, or apartment complex without having to deal with tenants, toilets, or trash. Here's how REITs work. A company pools money from multiple investors and uses that money to buy and manage income-producing real estate properties. These properties could be anything from apartment buildings and shopping malls to hospitals and data centers. The REIT then leases out these properties to tenants and collects rent. As an investor in a REIT, you get a share of the rental income generated by these properties. It's like being a landlord without any of the hassles. Plus, REITs are legally required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. That means a steady stream of passive income for you. Now, just like any investment, REITs come with their own set of risks. The real estate market can fluctuate, and REIT prices can go up and down. But by diversifying your REIT investments across different property types and geographic locations, you can mitigate those risks and potentially earn solid returns over the long haul. Let's dive into the world of peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This is where things get interesting because you get to be the bank. Now, I'm not talking about building a vault in your basement. I'm talking about lending your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club and Prosper. Think of it like this. You have some extra cash sitting around. Instead of letting it collect dust in a savings account with its measly interest rates, you can lend it out through a P2P platform and earn a potentially higher return. These platforms connect borrowers with investors, cutting out the traditional banks altogether. Borrowers apply for loans for various reasons, like consolidating debt, funding a home improvement project, or even starting a business. As an investor, you get to choose which loans you want to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness, loan purpose, and interest rate offered. You can diversify your investments by funding small portions of multiple loans, spreading your risk across a wider pool of borrowers. Now, I'll be honest, P2P lending does carry a higher risk than some other passive income streams. There's always a chance that a borrower might default on their loan, but that's where due diligence comes in. By carefully reviewing borrower profiles, diversifying your investments, and choosing a reputable P2P platform, you can manage your risk and potentially earn attractive returns. Chapter 4. Online courses. Share your knowledge, earn passive income. Now, let's talk about a passive income stream that allows you to share your knowledge and passion with the world. Creating and selling online courses. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always come to you for advice on? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to coding, marketing, or even playing a musical instrument. Whatever your expertise, chances are there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. creating an online course is easier than you might think. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it incredibly simple to structure your course, film your lessons, and upload your content. You can create video lectures, downloadable worksheets, quizzes, and even interactive exercises to make your course engaging and valuable for your students. Once your course is live, it's out there in the digital world, working for you 24/7. Students can enroll in your course at any time, from anywhere in the world. You're not trading your time for money anymore. You're creating a valuable asset that can generate passive income for months, even years, to come. The key to success with online courses is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Create high-quality content that provides real value to your students, and market your course effectively to reach your target audience. Alright, let's talk about one of the most popular passive income streams out there, affiliate marketing. This one's all about getting paid to recommend products or services that you genuinely love and use. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that has an affiliate program. This could be a massive online retailer like Amazon or a smaller company that sells niche products. You sign up for their program and get a unique affiliate link or code. Then you start recommending the company's products or services to your audience. This could be through your blog, website, social media channels, email list, or even just word of mouth. Whenever someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics of running an online store. You're simply recommending products or services that you believe in and earning a commission for your efforts. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic in your recommendations. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests, and promote them in a way that feels natural and helpful, not pushy or salesy. Let's talk about a passive income stream that can turn your spare room into a cash machine: Airbnb. Now, I'm sure you've heard of Airbnb. It's revolutionized the way people travel and experience new places. But did you know that it can also be a fantastic way to earn passive income? If you have a spare room, a guest house, or even an entire property that sits vacant for a portion of the year, you can list it on Airbnb and rent it out to travelers from all over the world. Airbnb makes it incredibly easy to create a listing, set your own prices, manage bookings, and communicate with guests. You can choose the type of guests you want to host, set house rules, and even offer additional services like airport pickup or local tours for an extra fee. The income potential with Airbnb can be significant, especially if you live in a desirable location or during peak travel seasons. Plus, you get to meet interesting people from all walks of life, which can be a rewarding experience in itself. Of course, being an Airbnb host does come with some responsibilities. You'll need to ensure your space is clean and welcoming for guests, communicate promptly with inquiries and bookings, and handle any issues that may arise during a guest's stay. Finally, let's talk about a passive income stream that's perfect for those who want a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing index funds. Now, I know we already talked about dividend-paying stocks, but index funds take things to a whole other level of simplicity and diversification. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, which includes the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the US. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of all the companies included in that index. This provides instant diversification, spreading your risk across hundreds, even thousands of different stocks. Index funds are known for their low fees and historically solid returns. They're a fantastic option for long-term investors who want to grow their wealth without having to constantly monitor the market or pick individual stocks. The beauty of index funds is that you can set up automatic investments where a certain amount of money is deducted from your bank account each month and invested into your chosen index fund. This dollar-cost averaging strategy helps to mitigate the effects of market volatility and ensures that you're consistently investing over time, regardless of market ups and downs. That's it for today's video on 7 passive income sources. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. If you like this video, be sure to check out our other content on personal finance and wealth building. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below.